Russia plans to build a new aircraft carrier to increase its maritime power. This was said by Russian Navy Commander Admiral Nikolay Yevmenov in an interview with the Krasnaya Zvezda daily. This new aircraft carrier will increase the efficiency of solving various operational tasks, he said. In April 2023, Izvestia citing sources from the Russian Ministry of Defense reported that Russia only has one aircraft carrier, namely the Admiral Kuznetsov. The ship has been around since 2017 and will be armed with the latest Panzer M anti-aircraft missile and artillery weapons to replace the old system. Made in 1982, it will receive new systems such as a deck with aircraft launchers, new engines, cable lines and a new navigation system. After the completion of repairs and modernization, Admiral Kuznetsov will serve for another 20 years. According to the Supreme Commander, the development of naval attack and combat aviation is ensured by the re-equipment of modern aviation complexes of the 4++ generation, including the Su-30 SM-2 multifunctional fighter and the Ka helicopter 52K. As part of the Russian Navy's ongoing modernization efforts, Admiral Yevmenov also highlighted the continued development of minesweepers made of composite materials.